Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update focus states in CSS for better UX feedback step by step clearly. Begin by identifying the focusable elements on your web page. These typically include links, buttons, and form inputs. Open your CSS file or add a style block in your HTML. Start by selecting the element you want to modify using the CSS selector. For instance, use a focus for links or button focus for buttons. Next, define the focus styles you want to implement. Consider adding a clear outline to indicate focus. You can use the outline property for this purpose. For example, type outline 2px solid blue. Alternatively, you can enhance visibility with a background color change. Try using background color RABA 00255 0.2. This will create a subtle blue background when the element is focused. Ensure your styles meet accessibility standards. Maintain sufficient contrast between focus indicators and element backgrounds. You may also choose to animate the focus state for smoother transitions. Utilize properties like transition to enhance user experience. For example, transition background color 0.3 SEs will create a smooth effect. Test your focus states thoroughly. Navigate through your site using the keyboard. Make adjustments to your styles as needed based on testing feedback. Consider implementing focus styles on all interactive elements. This includes custom components like dropdowns and modals. Remember to check styles across different browsers for consistency. Finally, confirm that your focus states are mobile responsive. Make sure touch targets are also clearly indicated when focused. Once satisfied, save your changes and refresh your web page. Now, your focus states should provide better UX feedback. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.